Hello everyone, my name is Amaka Okwesilezenwora. Today we'll be discussing on a very important topic, healthy eating and how it affects your health. Eating is an integral part of everyday living. We eat every day to nourish our body, to provide different nutrients, carbohydrates, protein, fats and oil, vitamins and minerals, water, and other nutrients that the body requires in order to nourish the body. However, it is very important that we pay particular attention to the quality and the quantity of food we eat, especially as it regards our age, our sex, our health status, and otherwise. So healthy eating in this regard, we are talking about the kind of diet that provide nourishment to your body in the right proportion. When you eat well, you provide adequate nutrients to nourish your body, adequate nutrients for your body to be able to be strong, immune system to be strong to fight against diseases, infections, infirmities, and so on. When you eat healthy, your body is able to resist sickness. How can we eat healthy? Number one, you have to ensure that your basic meals are based on high fiber starchy carbohydrates like whole grains, like potatoes, and so on. This will help you to be able to get enough fiber that will help both in digestion and also in defending your body. Instead of eating polished rice, it's better you go for brown rice or unpolished rice or ofada rice or what we call local rice. Those ones are still better. They are high in fiber and they also contain other nutrients. Instead of buying white bread, I advise you to buy whole wheat bread to ensure that you also get enough fiber from the bread. Ensure that your meals are high in fruits and vegetables. The fact is that your plate, half of your plate, should be vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables. By so doing, you are getting enough vitamins and minerals that will help to boost your immune system. You're also getting fibers that will help to add up to your food and help in digestion. Eat lots of vegetables, both root vegetables and green leafy vegetables. Also ensure that you eat more of fish than meat. We also encourage you to eat plant-based food more often instead of animal-based food. It does not mean that you are not expected to eat animal food, but we are saying that you should be able to get at least more of your food from plant-based, meaning that at least 60% of what you eat should come from plants, should come from those foods that do not produce acid when they digest in you. So what are the acid forming foods? You have animal foods, you have fats and oil, you have sugars, and so on. Then what are the alkaline forming foods? They are foods from plant origin, like green leafy vegetables, like root vegetables, like egg yolk, like lemons, and so on and so forth. So we advise that you eat more, at least 60% of alkaline forming food instead of acid forming food, in order to ensure that your body is in alkaline state. When you want to eat your food, we advise that you take your vegetable first. After your vegetable, you can take the protein, then the carbohydrates and the sugars. Do you know why? When you take vegetable first, the fibers in the vegetable will kind of occupy the walls of your intestine, and as the carbohydrates and the protein that are coming down, they will be able to attract some of the sugars in the carbohydrate food you have eaten, and as the fibers are going out of your system, they are taking part of it out of your system. This will help to reduce the quantity of sugar that your body will absorb at a particular time. So you see that fibers are really very, very important in our diet. They help in digestion, they help to reduce, they even help to reduce constipation. They help to make our bowel to move freely. What is healthy eating? Healthy eating means eating a variety of foods that gives you nutrients that you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy to function properly. Here are some components of healthy diet: fruits and vegetables, grains and starches, protein, dairy foods, fats and oil, and water. Here are some examples of high fiber diet. You have some whole grains, the nuts, you have vegetables, you have fruits. Yeah, this is an example of my healthy eating plate. You can see that at least half of the plate is filled with vegetables and fruits. Then the other half, you have both grains, whole grains, and protein. Then dairy food is by the side, and also water. Choose whole grains and starches instead of polished grains. For example, oats, barley, wheat, even corn. You can also choose potatoes, yam. This should form about 1/4 of your plate. This will help you to ensure that you get adequate fiber in your diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. This should form half of your plate. Ensure that you eat varieties of colors. You are advised to eat the rainbow, meaning that you have to eat red, green, yellow, orange, and so on. Some people, they don't even eat food when the salt level of that food is not in excess. Let me tell you, that salt you are eating may not be your friend. And so you need to watch your salt intake. Especially when you are gradually aging, you need to start reducing the quantity of salt you take. Do not allow your food to be salty. Reduce your salt intake. When you eat a lot of salt, you're exposing yourself to high blood pressure. You're exposing yourself or even to heart disease. And so you need to seriously watch what you eat and reduce the salt intake. Not only that, water is very important in our diet. Some of us don't even remember that we need to drink water. We feel that it's only children that will need to drink water. No, you need to drink water on a regular basis. In fact, you're expected to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Meaning that in the morning, at least you should be able to take 2 or 3 glasses. The afternoon, the same thing. Then in the evening and night, the same thing. Do not allow yourself to get dehydrated. When you are thirsty, it's a clear sign that you are dehydrated already. So you see, you need to drink water. Whether you are thirsty or not, you need to make it a point of duty to drink water every day. The body is made up of over 70% water. And so it is important that you replenish the water so that the cells will not shrink, so that the head cells will not dehydrate. So water is very, very important. Apart from all these things that we are saying, you should eat, you should drink, exercise is very important. You need to exercise regularly. It is recommended that we should get at least 30 minutes exercise on daily basis. Somebody will ask me, I don't want to go to gym. Well, it's not only when you go to gym that you get your exercise. My brother, my sister, I want to tell you that even in the comfort of your house, your home, you should be able to get even more than 30 minutes exercise. Let me tell you what you can do. You can put on your music and dance to it. Do not keep the body quiet. Dance so that the blood will circulate very well in your system. Not only that, you may decide to walk around your environment, around your house. Take it, maybe you can do it more than 20 times or 30 times, depending on the size of your house. It's also a good way of getting exercise. You can go swimming, you can go cycling. Another thing is that you can park that car when you are going to your work, by the time you are coming back, stop one bus stop before your bus stop, then walk down to your house. Instead of every time you are driving your car, you need to walk your body in order to stay healthy, in order to live healthy. Remember that your body is what you give it, that it will give you back. If you give your body what it requires, then you will enjoy your body. But when you decide to feed your body with those things that are not too good to your health, then you are already exposing yourself to troubles, to sicknesses, things like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart problems. All these ones are on the increase at the moment. And so we really need to watch what we eat. Some of those diseases, like heart disease, like diabetes, like high blood pressure, are diet related. And so when you watch what you eat, and when you keep a healthy lifestyle, like being very active at least 30 minutes every day, you are rest assured that you will be able to prevent your body from receiving any of those diseases, or cardiovascular disease, or chronic disease, or whatever name the doctor will call it. Remember that you are what you eat. Remember that it is what you give your body that it will give you in return. Eat healthy, stay healthy, live healthy. So many people are suffering from high blood pressure even without them knowing it. My advice to you is to go and check. Enter any of the pharmaceutical shops and ask them that you want to check your blood pressure. Know your numbers. If your blood pressure continuously increases above the normal range, then you need to watch your lifestyle, watch your diet, watch what you are doing, so that you will not die suddenly, because high blood pressure is a silent killer. It does not give any sign, no symptom, but it's only when you check your number that you'll be able to know that you are actually hypertensive. There's a lot of stress now. A lot of people are psychologically, emotionally, financially stressed. So you need to really go and check your blood pressure. And to prevent occurrence of high blood pressure, you need to watch your weight. You need to reduce your weight. Make sure that your weight is not above the normal range. You need to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. You need to reduce your alcohol intake. You need to say no to drug abuse. You need to quit drinking, especially alcohol. You need to quit drinking. You need to reduce your salt intake. Salt is one of the major reasons or major causes of high blood pressure. So you need to reduce your salt intake. There are a lot of healthy drinks out there. You can drink tiger nut juice, coconut juice. You can drink zobo drink, that's hibiscus flower. You can drink fresh fruit juice or smoothies. These are some of the healthy drinks we have out there. Why don't you grab your own cup? Grab your own. Make sure that you eat healthy so that you will live healthy. Remember, you are what you eat. Eat healthy food. Yeah, if you need any further information on healthy eating and healthy lifestyle, you can call us on our number. We also have some of these products. We have tiger nut drink. We have zobo drink. We also have date powder. We have specially customized pap for you and your family. In case you need any of them, give us a call. And I know you will never regret it. Guys, this food is so delicious. It's so delicious. It's not just delicious, it's so healthy. It's so healthy. You need to eat to be healthy. Don't just eat, but eat to be healthy. Healthy eating is a good business. Man, you can't resist the taste of. Guys, this food is so delicious. It's so delicious. It's not just delicious, it's so healthy. It's so healthy. You need to eat to be healthy. Don't just eat, but eat to be healthy. Healthy eating is a good business. Man, you can't resist the taste of. Guys, this food is so delicious. It's so delicious. It's not just delicious, it's so healthy. It's so healthy. You need to eat to be healthy. Don't just eat, but eat to be healthy. Healthy eating is a good business. Man, you can't resist the taste of.